Hey YouTube. Hi, hi, hi. Nesting and resting here. I'm going to show you how to mow this grass. The first thing you have to do is clean the poop out of your yard. If you have an animal, please clean the poop because if you don't, that poop is going to get on the wheels of your mower, and wherever you park it, it's going to stink really bad, especially if it's in the garage, and it's going to attract bugs. So you do not want that. Here's our mowers, Greenworks 17-inch wide, 24-volt batteries. Let me know if you're interested. I ordered it off of Amazon. Came in a bundle. So now I'm taking out that thing was the mulcher, and I'm going to bag it. And I'm putting all the furniture back because that grass is going to get everywhere. Batteries pop in the very front, just like so. Just pop them in. You don't have to worry about gas, spark plugs, oil changes, none of that. So nice. So here, what I'm pointing at is that you first start mowing the perimeter of your fence area. You're going to mow along the perimeter of that fence for your first mow all the way around because you're going to go from the outside in. You're going to work from the outside in. Here I am debating whether or not I'm going to take this bag off, and I did, which I came to regret later. You'll see in just a minute when we get started mowing. I know. You're going to put it back. Let's get to mowing. So you can hear the drag on my mower, and you can see that grass at the very front. It's all just sitting on top of the grass, which is very bad. You don't want grass sitting on top of your grass like that because it's too much grass. It's not being mulched, and mulching is when it's teeny tiny. It turns it into teeny tiny, tiny blades of grass that the other grass can feed on, like fertilizer. See that? That's not good. And the grass is also a little bit moist. You hear that? It's taking a toll on my battery because number one, see how high that grass is? It's too high. And my battery is like, eh. So guess what? I gotta put this take off the mulcher, take it off. There you go. Put the bag on. Put that mulcher back where you don't run over it. But see, you're gonna see how much better that looks. See, it's picking up all that extra grass, and we're bagging it now. You have to bag it. If you don't stick to a schedule of mowing your grass and you just let it get all high and willy nilly before your next mow, that's not good. So you always want to put your grass. And here it's been so hard because of the rain. It's been raining so much. And you don't want to mow wet grass. Even and the grass is moist, it's not wet. So, I had to get out here and mow this grass. And because today it wasn't raining, but it did dry out a little bit. It's moist, but it's not too bad. Terribly, terribly wet. Don't mow wet grass. Ruins your mower. And so there I am mowing, and now I have to change out the bag, on here, which I hate. I absolutely hate changing the bag on the mower. That's why you have to stick to a schedule. And so putting it on, getting those clippings, there's grass inside of there that you have to scoop out and put in the bag also. Make sure you do that so you doesn't spit that grass back out onto the grass that you're mowing. And here we go. Let's mow. All right. You can tell the difference already. It's such a big difference when you bag your grass. It's a headache, but you're better off bagging it, especially if you let it grow up too high. And, it's nobody's fault. It's just been too much rain. But you can hear because the grass is too high. You can hear where my battery is draining. You can hear the battery just, oh, it's draining my battery. And I'm listening to it like, uh oh, this is not good. So more bagging, and I'm hoping to just do one bag. I do not want to do two. I don't want to do two bags. I just want to do one bag. Get all the extra grass out of there, and you can tell when it needs to be changed because it starts spitting out grass. And here we go. And as you can see, yeah, I think you're going to be changing this bag a lot. That's why I'm like, mowing in a square and a square and a square. You're working from the outside in, and so you're working. I'm everything is going to be a square. Now here I am just cleaning up some extra grass right here, but I am working in a square. So here I'm working inside a square, and you can hear my battery just struggling. Oh, it's a struggle. So I am working that square. Gonna change that bag again. It's too heavy for me to carry. And so there I am. Oh no, no, some of the grass wasted out. That's why I had to stop and pick up that grass that wasted. If you go back and see, I didn't want that grass to get out into blow out into the grass because the wind was getting heavy. Okay, battery is officially dying, getting closer. Yeah, looks like it. Battery's died on me, so I have to go charge it up. I'm gonna charge it for about an hour. Just give it an hour. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to give it a full charge, but from the magic of editing, you don't have to wait that long because we are back to mowing. Yay. See that little patch I have? Just that little patch right there where I'm at is what I have to go. I was like, oh God, just a little bit more. Oh, but that's okay. Usually on one battery, on those two batteries, I can mow, trim, and blow. Now, do you see how I'm picking up my mower? Right here, you pick it up and you sit it down. You never turn on four wheels. Don't do it because you're going to cause a big divot in your yard. And it's going to be a hot mess. So go pick it up. Doesn't have to be sky high. Just turn it, pick it up, turn. There you go. Now right here it's just a little bit to go. And I'm going backwards and forwards and backwards. And I got a little strip left right here, and I'm going to pick it up just a little bit, turn it, and bam. That's it. That's a perfect square. Perfect world, I wish my square would have been in front of my sun back there, like a square in front of the sun, but I'll live. Now I'm looking around because I see some areas, some spots that I missed, and I'm going to shut the engine off, the mower off because I don't have a whole lot of battery. Looking at my battery time, the batteries have lights on them that let you know how long they have, and so I am trying to save battery. Pick it up. There's like a little divot right there, dent in my yard, and picking it up. Looking and I'm looking around and I'm paying attention and you're off, Doy. You're 17 inches. Follow the lines, please. Now you see the batteries are out, and now I am about to trim the grass. And I broke my trimmer, y'all, with my heavy ass hands. You tap it and it gives you more string, but my heavy ass hands tapped too hard and bing, broke it. That's okay. I'll buy a new one day. So I have to do everything manually with the string. Up, that was kind of hard. Be nicer to your equipment. So I have to do the string manually. And when I want more string, I have to string it by hand. Ugh, sucks. Just pop that battery in there. You go. Nice. Outside perimeter. My dog loves going around there. There's the bag. Going to tie it up. Guys, spray that bag with Raid or some insects because wherever you put it, bugs love grass, especially when it's rotten. Ooh, it has a smell and the bugs love it. Spray that grass. Ah, here we go with the blowing. Same batteries, getting a lot of good battery time. Don't you love? I just love blowing. It's so satisfying. That could be my job. I could be grass blower. Ah, blow that grass. Nice, nice. So satisfying to blow the grass. Love it, love it, love it. I don't have a whole lot of battery time, so I'm going really fast. Ah, nice. Batteries are charging now. Pick up the poo bags. Everything goes back to where it belongs. Yay. Look at that grass. Look at that grass. So nice. Now, my dog knows after blowing she gets treats, but we are not finished just yet because we have one more thing to do because of all the rain. We have to take care of these bugs. This fourth row bug clear is bomb, y'all. Ooh, I love it so much. Lowe's or Home Depot, get it now because they don't last on the shelf. See, you put your water hose there and it comes out there. And this bottle right here is a refill, so you don't have to keep buying that $8 one. This one is like $5 or $6, I think, at Lowe's, Home Depot. I go to both. So shake it, shake it, shake it. Those are chemicals in there that need to be activated, and you activate them by shaking everything. Shake, shake, shake. And so, oh, you see that fly? Oh, I got something for your fly butt. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, these flies and nets are. Oh. They see the water pressure. Don't turn your spigot on high, 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 because if you do that, and you're going to use all of that in one pop. It's going to go fast. So don't turn your water fountain all the way up. And see, now that I'm looking at it, I could have turned it down just a little bit more, but that's okay. So we're gonna start spray, spray, spray. I kind of spray, over in the corners really good where bugs like to conjugate. So now spraying in the outside perimeter of my patio. I'm spraying up high and low, spraying all across. I'm spraying my door where they like to conjugate right there. Flies are smart. They right there by the door, ready to come in. I'm spraying my poof pillows. I'm just basically spraying everything back to the perimeter, the concrete. I get everything all nice and saturated because these bugs, I am not a bug girl. Give me all the chemicals. No, yeah, no bugs here. No bugs, my lady. Spraying, spraying, spraying. Get those pillows, girl. Because everywhere you think, if you miss a spot, the bugs will be like, oh, she missed this spot. No, I'm getting all the spots. I see where y'all hang out. You hang out right there by that door. Oh my gosh. Oh, get those poof pillows because they be doing things on these pillows, y'all. They be fornicating and partying on the phone, long distance calls. Spray your pillows. Spray it. Yep. Yep. Get all that stuff. Spray it good. Wherever you see the bugs, they like to. Oh yeah. Get the fence. I just sprayed the yard too. I think I went a little bit past that, but the yard is sprayed. Spray the yard. Now I'm putting furniture back, putting everything back to where it goes, and it's very saturated. Everything is wet. Hopefully this rain lets up for a couple of days so it can get nice and in there. See how fast it's drying? It's drying already. And look at that grass. I know, it's so nice. Oh, I love that grass. So nice. The yellow, should have raised the blades up a little bit more on the front part right there. But for the most part, it is so green and cut. This is the most satisfying part ever. And the lawn services, they charging too much. They doing too much, y'all. Can't afford that. Get out there and do it yourself. Putting my poop pillows back on here. And as you can see, it's drying. Drying. Put that pillow back. I spray. Everything is sprayed. Flies won't light on anything that's been sprayed. That's why I sprayed really good under the bottom too, because the little creepy crawlers like to crawl under your pillows and stuff, but not in this house. No. And so, still drying. Animals are not allowed until it is completely dry, and that's about like an hour, or just kind of depends on how hot it is. Hotter it is, more sun it gets, it dries. So look at this yard. It is, I'm so proud. So proud I did it. And you can do it too. You can do it. Like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Please like and subscribe. I only got 9 subscribers, but that's okay. I love you all. Comment if you have any questions. Comment, please, please. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.